Okay, today is December 13th, 2013. I'm on the Tug Hill Plateau, southwest of Lowville, 1,900 feet elevation. It snowed about 4 feet. There was about 3 feet left on the ground when I got here. And then overnight, it snowed another 27, 30 inches up to my thigh, up to right around there, maybe a little over 2 feet. What I'm doing here is I'm going to try to walk into the fresh snow. This is all fresh from the storm. Since there's roughly the same amount of snow as my height, which is 65 inches, there's about, let's say, 2 and 3. It's about 5 feet, so it's about 60 inches on the ground. I'm having trouble even walking through the snow. Digging down to find the bottom. Okay, I'm going to try to jump in. There was less snow where I tried to jump in than right here. But it kind of illustrates it.